If you want to change the volume on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can go to settings, then in here we're gonna scroll down and then you can choose sound and vibration. And in here we can adjust the volume for media, for ringtones, and for alarms. We can tap anywhere on these sliders or just move left and right to adjust the loudness. Besides that, you can go to the control center, and in here we have the media volume level, which we can adjust. And if you press and hold your finger on that slider, you will open this panel where we can adjust the media volume level again, but also the ringtone volume and alarm volume in here. You can also use volume buttons, so if you press volume up or volume down, you can adjust the volume level of the media. When this slider is visible, you can also use your finger, and you can tap on the 3 dots at the top of that slider to open a similar panel, just like we opened just before. And here we can adjust the loudness for these 3 things again. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.